Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll show you how I blinged out these candles as well as this vase. If you want to see how I created it, go ahead and keep watching. For this project you're going to need 2 candles, which I got these from Myers, a clear vase that I got from the Dollar Tree, and some adhesive diamond wrap, which is from the Dollar Tree as well. What you want to do first is go ahead and take the plastic off of the candles. You then want to take that candle and your bling wrap and measure it around the candle just to see how much diamond wrap will actually cover the candle. Once I did that, I went ahead and took my scissors and cut as much of the diamond wrap that I wanted to cover the first candle. From there, what you want to do is go ahead and take the backing off of the adhesive diamond wrap. And then I went ahead and laid the candle on its side just because it's easier to apply. So with the first candle, I wanted the wrapping right in the center of the candle. And let's just say trying to make this wrap evenly across the candle wasn't as easy as it looked. I did have to bring it up here and there just to make sure that it was straight and that the 2 ends will connect evenly at the back. So once I connected the ends, I did have a little of the adhesive diamond wrap left, so I just took my scissors and cut that little piece off, and voila, how cute is the first candle. So for the second candle, you want to repeat the same steps. Go ahead and cut out as much of the adhesive wrapping that you want onto the candle. For this one, I wanted to do it a little differently. I didn't want the wrapping directly in the middle of the candle. So go ahead and take the backing off, lay your candle on its side. And this one, I wanted the wrapping at the bottom of the candle. Now, who said you can't do the same thing to a glass vase? Yes, you can. Go ahead and grab your vase, grab that adhesive diamond wrap, and repeat the same steps that you did on the candle onto the vase. So cute. And it will make that clear vase look 10 times better than it did at the store. Now, if you don't have enough wrapping, which you see here, go ahead and take whatever extra pieces you have, measure out how much wrapping you need to fill that space, and then go ahead and cut the piece and attach it. Next, went ahead and grabbed some flowers that I used in a previous DIY to put into this vase. Went ahead and fluffed those flowers out, and boom, you got yourself a cute blinged out flower vase. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this DIY project. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!